150th anniversary of the Transcontinental Railroad, and they have made these amazing looking forever stamps. They come on a sheet of, it looks like 18, and what you get when you buy a sheet of them is one train, and in the middle a golden spike, and then the other train. I'm going to take some close-up pictures because this video is not doing it justice. And what I think is really cool that they've done, let me zoom back here, hold on. I think the best value for, whether it's an investment or whether it ever goes up or not, at the very least, it's going to be, you can use it, that there's no extra cost, that they sell these in these sheets where you can get 4 sheets all hooked together, possibly frame it, possibly not, but the gold sheen on that is, these are just really amazing. Really cool, and for a really, actually it's a pretty cool thing that when you want to look up the Transcontinental Railroad and the Golden Spike, your promontory point, and how it brought the country together. You could go cross country on a train. But look at the, see the shimmery? Anyway, I thought I'd just post this. I think they're really cool looking, and not a lot more to it. Okay, let me post a couple of cool close-up pictures of them.